Iodine is a crucial micronutrient essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Iodine deficiency can lead to significant health issues, affecting people of all ages. Here are the top 5 symptoms of iodine deficiency that you should be aware of. 1. Goiter. A goiter is an abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland, located in the neck. It is one of the most visible signs of iodine deficiency. When iodine levels are low, the thyroid gland works harder to absorb iodine from the blood, causing it to grow larger. This enlargement can be seen as a swelling in the neck. While a goiter itself is usually painless, it can cause difficulty in swallowing or breathing if it becomes too large. It also signifies that the thyroid gland is not functioning optimally, potentially leading to further health complications. 2. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones. Iodine deficiency is a leading cause of hypothyroidism. Symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, dry skin, hair loss, and depression. Iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Without adequate iodine, the thyroid cannot produce sufficient hormones, leading to a slowdown in metabolic processes. Hypothyroidism can have widespread effects on the body, reducing overall energy levels, impacting mental health, and increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 3. Intellectual and developmental disabilities in children. Severe iodine deficiency during pregnancy and early childhood can lead to intellectual and developmental disabilities, a condition historically known as cretinism. Thyroid hormones are critical for brain development, especially during the fetal and early childhood periods. Insufficient iodine can impair the production of these hormones, leading to developmental delays. Children born to iodine-deficient mothers may experience lower IQ, reduced cognitive abilities, and stunted physical growth. Early intervention and iodine supplementation are crucial to mitigate these effects. 4. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and muscle weakness are common symptoms of iodine deficiency, stemming from an underactive thyroid. Thyroid hormones play a key role in energy production and muscle function. When hormone levels are low due to iodine deficiency, cellular energy production decreases, leading to feelings of tiredness and muscle weakness. Chronic fatigue and weakness can significantly reduce quality of life, making it difficult to perform daily activities and maintain productivity. 5. Weight gain. Unexplained weight gain is a common symptom of iodine deficiency-related hypothyroidism. Thyroid hormones regulate metabolism, the process by which the body converts food into energy. Low levels of these hormones slow down metabolic rate, leading to increased fat storage and weight gain. Weight gain associated with hypothyroidism can contribute to obesity and related health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. Iodine deficiency remains a significant public health concern, particularly in regions where iodine intake is insufficient. Recognizing the symptoms of iodine deficiency is crucial for early intervention and treatment. Ensuring adequate iodine intake through diet or supplements can prevent these symptoms and support overall health. Foods rich in iodine, such as seafood, dairy products, and iodized salt, should be included in the diet to maintain optimal thyroid function and prevent deficiency-related health issues.